I wish I had known this earlier. White paper is actually not the best choice for colored pencils. It either takes too many layers or never gives that satisfying rich color, no matter how much you add. And I was looking for something different, and I found this warm brown paper. Not only makes skin tones look amazing, but also makes every color appear so much more alive and vibrant. Hi everyone, this is Nagra. Welcome back to my channel. I'm starting with a clean, precise sketch. This time I'm drawing the girl with the cat ears, kind of similar to that one I did in my watercolor and colored pencil mix tutorial. If you haven't watched that video yet, I will leave it linked so you can check it out later. The keys here is patience. Use a very sharp pencil and build up the layers slowly without pressing too hard. If you push the pencil too much, you will flatten the texture of the paper and it becomes harder to blend. So take your time. This technique is all about layering, not rushing. I usually start with the lightest tones first and then move gradually toward the darker shades. You can see how the colors becomes richer with each layer. It's okay if it looks a bit rough at the beginning. Just keep adding light layer and it gets smoother and smoother. For highlights and tiny details, I usually using a white gel pen or sometimes a black fine liner to emphasize eyelashes, hair edges, or accessories. This part is totally up to your style. You can make it clean and soft or go bold and contrasty. And here's the final result. I really love how this one turned out. The colors feel more vibrant than they would on white paper. Thank you so much for staying with me till the end. I also tried mixed watercolor as a base layer for colored pencils. You can see it here. And don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye for now. Bye bye.